Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today we're going to be unboxing the limited edition Karl Lagerfeld and Model & Co. Glossybox for 2018! So guys, Glossybox came out with another limited edition box, and I loved the one that they had for Mother's Day. I thought that was a great box, so worth the value, and so I'm really excited to unbox this for you guys. This is going to be a $35 box, and I will have it linked in the description box down below. Apparently it's worth over $140 or something like that. So I'm really excited to get to unbox this for you guys today. And if you're new here and you haven't yet met me before, hi, my name is Cassie, and we should hang out more. You should subscribe to my channel if you like these types of videos. Yeah, let's jump in. Let's do this thing. Let's unbox the box. So as you can see, it's Karl Lagerfeld, whatever his name is. He's on the box. I'm weird right now. That's okay. So we have a little card here, and we've got some pink ribbon on the inside here, and also black tissue paper this time, which I think is very cute. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here is a Karl Lagerfeld and Model & Co. lip liner in red. Ooh. So this is worth $29, and it's in the color red. So far, we're just $5 short of the value of the box, $6 actually. We're $6 short of the value of the box just with this pencil, so I think that is a great deal. I typically don't spend this much on lip liners, so this is a little bit spendy of a product, but I do appreciate getting higher value items. I feel like this is definitely something that I'd like to get in a box. It's a makeup item, it's a pretty thing, and I'm gonna enjoy it. I will definitely enjoy it. The next thing I'm seeing here is a Karl Lagerfeld and Model & Co. long-lasting liquid eyeliner. So it says this eyeliner is worth $30. It says a cat eye never goes out of style, and it says it's also water resistant, which is super cool. Let's take a peek at it. Yeah, it looks like we have a super fine tip liner here, and let's see how it looks. That looks really black. I think this is going to be good. I'm definitely excited to get to try this out, and I want to see how it works. So something awesome to get in the box. Very excited about that as well. The next thing I'm seeing in here is this Karl Lagerfeld Model & Co. Baked Blush in Rose Pink. So that's what that looks like. This says it goes for $44. To be honest, the packaging of this for me, it feels too cheap to be this expensive. It's pretty thin plastic. I mean, other stuff has plastic packaging, but it's like the thicker kind of plastic packaging. This is kind of the thin plastic packaging. So I don't love that, but I can get past that if it is a good product. This looks very pretty. It's kind of like a soft, shimmery rose color. So that's gonna be a really good summer blush, lighter, more glowy, more shimmery. I do tend to lean a little bit more towards matte shades, but I am really happy that I got this, and we are killing the value of this box, you guys. We've got 60 plus 40, we're already at $100. With these three things, the value of the box is at $100. So that is pretty amazing if you ask me. The next thing I'm seeing here is a Karl Lagerfeld Model & Co. What are you? I think it's just a lip gloss. So this is definitely a pretty small size. It's quite possible that they actually sell this size for $15. I cannot tell how much this is. It doesn't have a size, an ounce size on it. I'm not sure if this is the $15 option or anything, but that is a really pretty pigmented gloss. It feels a little bit sticky, but not too bad. This isn't something that I'm amazingly excited about just because I'm not really a gloss person, but it is a really pretty color, so if you're a gloss person, you will probably love this. The next thing I'm seeing in here is this Karl Lagerfeld and Model & Co. This looks like it might be a lipstick. Let's open it up and see. So yeah, this is a little sample lipstick, not a huge size at all. It is a pretty shade though. Kind of like this fuchsia-y red shade. I'm really enjoying that color, but again, it's kind of a small little size. Not a whole lot of use I'm gonna get out of that. And it says the 0.05 ounce is $15. I would not pay $15 for this. This is a sample size, but it's still something that's fun to get in the box. I would not count this towards the total value though. And the last thing I'm seeing here is a brush. It looks like a little angled blush brush. It feels pretty high quality. The bristles are soft and the handle feels really sturdy. So definitely something I'm excited to get. It says that this is worth $31. I'm not sure that I would exactly spend $31 on this. I feel like I can get similar value with less expensive brushes, but this is very soft. This is like a bunny brush soft. It's a very, very soft brush, and I am excited to get to use this. So overall, we got kind of 4 full-size items and 2 sample sizes. Honestly, I was expecting a little bit more out of this box. With just these 4 items, we have $130 in value, so I think the box is definitely an awesome deal, definitely worth getting, but I just don't really count these in the value of the box. They're still fun to get, but it feels like they threw a couple samples in, which I know is pretty understandable for giving us all this value in one box. So guys, that's everything in my Karl Lagerfeld limited edition glossy box for 2018. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!